We're going to do a brief video on algo trading versus the SP500, and we're getting ready for trading tomorrow, September 28th. In a minute, we'll show you the algo prices, and stick with us to the very end, and we'll show you how you can get them every morning before 7 a.m. absolutely free. But let's take a look at this chart real quick. What we're going to do is pull up the futures contract for the SP500 to ES Mini 500 futures contract on Chicago Mercantile Exchange. We have it on here now, and we take a look here real quick. We see this is for September tomorrow, September 27th. Tomorrow's 28th. We have a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. And we can see this market's deep in a bear market, and today it looks like we put in a new bottom here at 36.35, and continues to sell off little bit by bit by bit. Looks like we did violate the previous lows on this contract. This is a continuous contract, but it should be a reasonable number, and it looks like we made a new low today on the SP500. So what we're doing here is we're comparing moving average analysis to algo trading, and I think the algo trading is going to be better. This shows continued downtrend. It does not give us exact entry prices, but it definitely says we're in a bear market. Let's go down here and see what our algorithms say. It says 36.35 was low for today, and the first algorithm we're going to show you is a 30-day algo, which has 30-day hold, which means you get in, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea, take a position, and then close it out at a loss on the 30th day just before the market closes, or take your profit sooner. So for tomorrow, the 28th, it's calling for a short position in the S&P 500. This is the E-mini futures contract position of 37.33. So it gives you an exact entry price, and it says to short on a 30-day hold. Now, if you made a profit tomorrow, you take it. If you made a profit in a week, you take it. If you didn't make a profit by the 30th trading day, you'd close out just before the market closed. So that's how this system works. This is a moving average system. It's a little more sophisticated than a simple moving average system, but that's what this one's based on. And we cover SP500 and about 10 stocks on here, as you can see. Now let's go down here. So that's 37.33 short for tomorrow, the 28th. Let's go down here and see what our non-trend following algos say for the SP500. Same thing, ES Mini futures contract on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange for the 28th tomorrow. Ticker symbol is ESU, although that doesn't look right, but this is current data. That ticker symbol might be Z, but we will check and see. But let's take a look here. I know this data is correct though for that for the current contract. So we have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods, and it's calling for buys. So it's calling 37.30. What did we say? 37.33 on a short position, trend following, but on a short-term trade, 36.40 on a one-day hold. So these are the same types of things. Buy tomorrow and close out the next trading day, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea. Close out at the end of the next trading day just before it closes at a loss, or take your profit sooner. And you do that for each column across 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20. If you bought on the 20-day column, you'd buy tomorrow and close out worst case at a loss at the end of the 20 trading day, or take your profit sooner. So you can see the benefits of algos. They give you a longer term short position for trend following, and then they also give you an opportunity if you want it to trade the swings, and that's what's going on here. The trend following price is almost 100, almost 90 points or something like that higher to short than the buy prices that you're seeing here roughly. So that's what we've got for you tomorrow. We will give you some results, and you should probably check in and follow them yourselves, which I'll show you how to do in a minute. But this is all for tomorrow, the 28th. I'm recording this on the 27th. Let's go down here and see. You can get everything RBAM Research has, absolutely free, no credit card required. We put out all this kind of algo information, entry prices for 190 stocks, the major Forex pairs, BTC crypto, as I just showed you, the SP500, crude oil, gold, and the T-bond futures, all at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. It's all free, all updated before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Sometimes in the evenings you can catch them after 6 o'clock, and Bitcoin's usually after 8 o'clock. But definitely before 7 a.m. the morning of, and again, no credit card required. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you want to leave us some comments and let us know how you feel about the SP500 versus the algo, let's have friendly conversation in the comment section below. And keep in mind, all that you've seen and heard on here today, including the entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You should do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. That's it. You're all set for tomorrow morning, and we'll see how they work. We'll see who wins algo trading versus the S&P 500. We think we'll win.